Yes, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are, I know you are joining us for this electrical project. So leo tuko site, another site. Basically, this is a system which has been running for 1 year actually. So leo tumekuja tu kufanya maintenance, kuangalia mambo vile iko, and welcome. Let's see what we have done here. It can help a technician down there, it can help you. So I just explained to you what we have done here. So this is a 5 kVA inverter, and what we have here is 4 200 Ah gel type batteries. So if you calculate very quickly, you realize that this is 200 Ah at a voltage of 12. That will give you 9,600 watts or 9.6 kilowatts. If you were to convert that one to volt amperes, it will give you about 7.68 kVA. So that is basically what we have. So I want you, the cameraman, to show you the type of connections we did here. So because this inverter is a 24 volt system, maybe you'll show them here. So when you are doing your installation, it is important to specifically check the specification of your inverter. So these are 24 volts, 142 ampere DC input. The output is not a problem. So basically it means in your battery arrangement, you must ensure that you fit to what the inverter requires. So for us to achieve that, we have done a combination of parallel and series connection. So you realize from this connection, you will see that these two are in parallel, and these two are also in parallel. Then we have, let's say, block 1 and block 2. We make them in series. Then you take the output from the far end, you give it a positive terminal, and then you take the negative terminal. That is what you feed to your inverter. And actually when you if you zoom it out here, so our output is actually giving us 230 volts, our PV. So for now we don't have it because it is during the night. You can see our battery system has a 24.8 volts. So that is the result of combining this. So depending on the demand, our output is 50 hertz. That is quite okay. And we have a very low voltage, low load demand. You can see it is about 230 volt amperes. So because most of the items are not in. So basically that is it. Important is, depending on your inverter, ensure you have the right connection for your batteries. That is the most important. But I know I must be a professional for you to actually work on that. So how many loads for the user are we powering? We're powering as many loads as it is possible. You can see the types of lights we have. We have a security light here. You can see there. Maybe you can take them out here. See.